5 Cosori Air Fryer 5.8 QT Review 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. 9 QT Dual Basket Air Fryer for Family Meals. Tired of juggling multiple pots and pans? Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 9 QT Dual Basket Air Fryer. With two spacious 4.5-quart baskets, you can cook protein and veggies, or even two different dishes, at once, perfectly timed thanks to the sync finish function. No more mixed flavors, soggy sides, or cold meals. Enjoy crispy, juicy results with 85% less oil, and choose from 10 smart functions like air fry, roast, and bake. Sync Cook lets you control both baskets with one touch, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Plus, with 130-plus nutritious recipes included, healthy, delicious family dinners are easier than ever. Dinner time just got a whole lot smarter. Number 4. 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Ceramic Coating, 6 QT. Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Ceramic Coating. With Turbo Blaze technology, it cooks lightning fast, so weeknight dinners are ready in minutes. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and more. All with up to 95% less oil for crispy, juicy results you'll crave. The spacious yet compact 6-quart basket fits family-sized meals without hogging counter space. Plus, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. From proofing dough to reheating leftovers, its wide temperature range, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and customizable preheat program deliver perfect results every time. Includes 100-plus nutrition-tracked recipes and a chef-inspired cookbook, because healthy, delicious meals should be easy, not complicated. Number 3. 7-quart Air Fryer with Panoramic Window and 12 presets. Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 7-quart Air Fryer with Panoramic Window and 12 presets. Perfect for families, it effortlessly handles everything from crispy wings to full entrees, all with little to no oil thanks to FryForce 360 degrees technology. Choose from 12 one-touch presets for foolproof air frying, baking, roasting, and more. Watch your food cook through the panoramic window, illuminated by an interior light, while the futuristic 3D holographic display shows time, temp, and smart prompts like turn food or add food. Even better, you can mute routine beeps for a quieter kitchen without missing key alerts. Cook smarter, faster, and with confidence. Number 2. 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Ceramic Coating, 6 QT. Meet your kitchen's new multitasker, the 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Ceramic Coating. With Turbo Blaze technology, it cooks faster and crispier at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, using 95% less oil, so you can enjoy guilt-free fries, wings, and more. The 6-quart square basket fits family-sized meals, while the durable ceramic coating ensures easy, dishwasher-safe cleanup. Quiet operation, under 53 dB, means peaceful cooking, even on busy nights. Precise temperature control, a customizable preheat function, and a 30-recipe cookbook from chefs and dietitians help you cook smarter, not harder. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or reheating, this versatile powerhouse delivers perfect texture and flavor every time, with less oil, less mess, and more delicious results. Number 1. 6-quart Stainless Steel Air Fryer with 9 one-touch functions. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 6-quart Stainless Steel Air Fryer. With a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, golden results with juicy interiors every time. Its spacious square basket accommodates family-sized meals while maintaining a compact footprint. Crafted entirely from stainless steel and featuring a PTFE/PFAS-free ceramic glaze, it heats faster, cools quicker, and eliminates plastic odors for cleaner, purer flavor. 9 one-touch presets simplify air frying, roasting, reheating, and more, making weeknight dinners effortless. Durable, efficient, and free of harmful chemicals, this all-metal powerhouse saves time, space, and peace of mind. Upgrade your cooking without compromise. So, that sums up my 5 Cosori Air Fryer 5.8 QT review. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.